What's up guys, Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Today we're working on the E430, the V8. We're gonna finally address the door. We got the door here from LKQ in Monrovia, California. Same where I got the fender for the E320. And everything comes off pretty easy. Got that on the door, and there we go. Everything unplugs on the inside of the door. This, slide everything out. I gotta take off my mirror. So I already started. Took off the little kick panel on the side here. It's right there. Take that off. Take this little sill off, and then there's all your connections. And I already got everything all disconnected. So all I gotta do is take this off, disconnect here, here, and here. That's how I did it on the other one. And then take off the door panel, take this off, take this off, and you take this off, and then you take this one off, and screw Phillips. It all comes out, all the clips. So we'll do that next. And so right before installing the door, my central locking system took a dump. As you can see, look at all this black stuff here. I don't know if it shows up, but I took it apart. Motor is blown. Electric motor is shot. I mean, yeah. So got another one from LKQ with a warranty, 90-day. So that one looks pretty good. Out of the three that I saw at the junkyard, this was the best looking one. Another one had like electrical tape all over it, so I was like, nope, skip. So got all this taken out, so I'm going to install that. And also I found a truck trunk mat for this one. It was missing when I got it, so now I got one. These are hard to find and not cheap, so I got this there also. So I think I scored for everything 70 bucks, and I got a seatbelt latch for the Blazer. So first I'm going to install this new one in, put it in, see if all the locking works. It should. Be right back. Alright, and we're back. New used door installed. All the gaps are perfect. This gap looks big, but it's not. The original door was just as big, so, and it opens just perfect. Perfect. There's the old door. I might use the molding from the other door because this one's got a scrape right there. I'm going to see if I can buff them out. If not, I'm going to use the other one. The other one's perfect. But door panel's back on. Everything works. Speaker, everything. We also got the mat all clean. Looks really nice now. It was missing. Like I said, it didn't come with the car. And I installed the new central locking system, all in there. Works perfect. So I got my door locks back. Now I just got to install the seat and wash her up and see what she looks like all washed up with the new door. What's up? It's another day here working on the E430 W210. The rear locks were not working, so I already took it all apart. There's the door panel. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. There's only 3 screws that hold it in. The rest are clips, and those are located, one right here, one under here, and one under the SRS, and then the one that's on the latch, and it comes right out. So I was wondering why my rear lock wasn't working. Well, look at that, severed line. I don't know why, but I gotta disconnect it from right there and right there. And remember, I replaced the front door, so I gutted this door of everything. Save the line. So now I have the line for that door. It might be a little long, but it's gonna work. Yeah, I got it out. Here's the airbag module. Here's the speaker, window, everything module. So I'll probably put up that for sale. But this should work for that door. Yep, should work. All right, let's feed it through. All right, and just like that, there's the line, new one, through the door and hooked up down there, and I just wound up the extra, but it works. All right, now it's time to vacuum it all out. I might shampoo it, but I think it just needs a good vacuum. The mats need to be cleaned up though. But yeah, it's pretty filthy. I haven't touched it since I bought it. I haven't had any time. Sorry for the lighting, it's getting dark late. But yep, I'm gonna clean up the interior real quick. Throw that door panel back on. Had to glue some clips back on as usual. Gets old, they break, but repaired it, no problem. But yeah, here's the mats. They do need to be cleaned. This one's bad, it's got a nasty stain, so clean those up. All right, let's see if the door lock works. Yeah, beautiful. Now I probably won't burn out the pump or the little motor, electric motor. Unlock. Beautiful. All right, let's keep on cleaning the interior. All right, guys, back at it again. I do not even know what day, what order, or anything I'm doing these videos in, because I'm shooting so much. But today, we're working on the 430 211 W211, and I made my own porta power. Rigged it all up here. Yeah, I know it's not right, but like I said, it's barely pinched in slightly. I'm pretty sure I can get that out, and then over here is nothing. So let me try this out and see how it works. All right, guys, so I pulled it out pretty damn good enough. Now this bolts up now. It didn't before, it didn't even reach. Now it bolts up all the way, so obviously I pulled it out enough. Out here looks good. The sides look good.
I should put it on a bumper hitch where it slides onto the bumper.
Got help from Frank. Got help from Eddie. Used all this right here.
So I have to drive around with it on there.
So yep, let's put the trunk back together. And just like that, all together. Everything matches, everything lines up. I pulled it out as best as I could. Like I said, everything lines up. Everything. Closes beautiful. No issue. All the gaps are pretty good. You don't see any bow in the bumper or right here. No bow in. So let's clean her up on the outside. I'll probably buff it out. Oh yeah, there is another issue over here. Missing the Mercedes sill. So I'm gonna put that on right now. And I'm missing this out of the C2. I'm gonna install this back in. I don't know why they took it out. So let's do that right now. All right, guys, it is the next day. Back on the 430. She is looking good. She got washed, buffed, got all the imperfections, you know, paint correction, and ceramic coated and everything. She looks good. Look at that shine. Man, she looks good. Here's the interior. Mats came out beautiful. They say Mercedes-Benz again. I went to the junkyard today, couldn't find a climate control, so I'm just gonna get it out of eBay. 60 bucks or best offer. I'm gonna offer them 50 bucks. Hopefully I get it. Other than that, it's 100 bucks for the bottom seat, but like I said, I'm gonna let the next owner do that. This is the back. But yep, she looks good, complete. Still have this dent. I did find a fender today, but like I said, it's 75 bucks. I'm not gonna put no more money into it. And there she is though. Perfect. Alright, that's gonna end this video of Bobby's Backyard Artworks on the E430 W210 2002. Like I said, pretty much all done now, complete. So until next time, please like, share, and subscribe right there at the corner. And I appreciate all you guys' support. Until next time, talk to you later.
Yeah.